Hey, welcome to Alabama. What brought you here?
FlipCon, learning about mobile homes.
What got you interested in mobile homes?
I seen the YouTube, and I wanted to learn a different way of doing real estate, an easier way to do real estate.
Yeah. Have you enjoyed yourself since you've been here?
Absolutely, this has been one of the funnest, most knowledgeable things I've ever did as far as being at a conference. It's something you would never imagine. It has been awesome. The hands-on experience is like no other.
I used a paint gun all my life. We always had to fix shit, okay? So I've been using a roller and a brush since I was a child. I just repainted my bedroom again, like 4 or 5 months ago, using a roller and brushes. So look, let me tell you something, okay? $500 for a paint gun will change your life. It'll change your life forever.
And I got to use what is it called? A wood saw.
A wood saw? A circular saw?
A circular saw.
And
I handled it.
you handled it
And I handled
nicely.
it. It is such a natural, liberating feeling to get behind the tools, to feel the tools, be one with the tools, and just know why you're doing it. You're not, when you're doing it, you're not thinking about the money. You're thinking about helping someone, and you're thinking about the finished product. Like, it's gonna look so good when I'm done.
Once I found out that this was a hands-on opportunity, that was what really sold it for me, because a lot of the other stuff that I heard about was like, we'll tell you how to do this, we'll send you some paperwork, or we'll have a class where you come in, or we'll have a Zoom call and all that. It's like, there's so much information you can't get from just a conversation, you know, like, you gotta get your hands dirty.
Dollars and everything. But so far, what do you feel like your biggest takeaway is?
My biggest takeaway, really, it's helped me to not be so timid if it's a project that needs repairs. In my mind, I knew what I thought I would be okay with. If it needed maybe some
Get out there. Don't let fear stop you. You gotta just give yourself that affirmation so you can go ahead and press forward in the things that you need to do. You know, I learned how to run comps better. I learned how to market better. You know what I mean? So it's just a lot of things that I learned from that one experience.
Of course, there's still some growth that needs to happen, but just with the knowledge that I've gained in these past few days, it's far greater than what I started with when I got here.
Because I've never heard of anything like this happening, where you pay to go to training, but the things that you're learning, you can really, really like apply it immediately. There's a lot of conferences that are happening. I've been to various different conferences, and there's knowledge out there. But to be able to learn hands-on skills, actually get out there on the job site, I don't know nothing like it.